Help! Help!
Callum, what happened?
Oh, hey, Rayla. I was trying to copy that lightning spell, but I don't know how to finish it. I know, I'll just toss you the orb.
What? No! That's a terrible
Tossing
idea!
it.
Ah!
Alright. It worked. Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Esren, Callum, and Rayla from the Dragon Prince. For Rayla, you will need the green hoodie piece from the Ninjago movie Blind Bag. I just used a generic skin tone woman's head for her face. I gave her the torso of the centaur blind bag figure. She will need skin, arms, and hands, and Robin Hood's legs. For her accessories, you can give her Lloyd's swords, or you can use a 3-piece build of a dragon claw clipped onto a robot arm, pegged into a microphone piece. As for Callum, you will need a brown messy hairpiece, young Gru's head, a brown sash. He will need Vern's torso from the Turtle Van Takedown set, dark blue arms and skin hands, and some mid-legs from Harry Potter. For his accessory, he needs a ball so that he can perform spells like Aspero and Fulminous. And finally, Prince Esren. He requires Kai's hairpiece from the Ninjago movie. His head is from the Harry Potter trunk set. He needs a brown backpack piece, the torso of a royal guard, red arms, light brown hands, and some dark brown kid legs. For Prince Esren's accessories, you can give him a jelly tart, or you can make bait by putting a ladybug on a shark tooth. And that concludes this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed.